Hi, my name is Garrett Sutton. I'm an attorney. I'm the author of these great books in the Rich Dad Advisor series, and I'm also the president of Corporate Direct. For the last 40 years, I've assisted people to protect their personal and real estate assets. And over the years, I've seen situations where people have lost everything for failing to properly protect themselves.
If Garrett had not protected Kim and I, we would have lost everything. So I'd like to introduce Garrett because his specialty is corporate law and asset protection. Please listen to him because there's no sense trying to get rich if you don't first have asset protection in place.
You need to use a corporation or an LLC if you're starting a business, investing in real estate. And then once you make the decision which entity to use, you have to set it up right away. The longer that you conduct business in your personal name, the longer all of your personal assets are exposed to a claim against the business. So you want to get that entity set up right at the start. We live in a nation of predators. The FBI has identified a subclass within our society. These are called professional litigants. These are the people who, when they see a puddle on aisle 7 at the supermarket, instead of telling the manager to clean it up, they will deliberately fall in that puddle of water so that they can sue the supermarket.
He is best known, perhaps, for writing books that really are about the law for the layman, and we'll be explaining that as we go along today. Garrett, nice to have you with us.
Doug, it's a pleasure to be here.
Listen, before we get into this interview, I'm really excited to chat with you because your books are fascinating, and I think our viewers are going to find them just as fascinating as I have. But first off, a little while ago, you had a chance to answer some questions from William Shatner. Let's take a look at a brief portion of that now and see how it went, okay?
Great.
Let's watch.
I know that being successful in business today is not easy. Why don't you briefly describe what you do and what sets you apart from others in your field? And do you feel your business is helping to move America forward?
So if someone wanted to get in touch with you and use your services and learn from you, find out about your books and all the things you do, how would they do that?
Well, at Corporate Direct, our website, we have a lot of information. We offer a free incorporation package. So you can go to corporatedirect.com. You can also call 800-600-1760, and we'll give you a free 15-minute consultation on what you need to set up an LLC or corporation and protect your assets. Remember, asset protection is like buying insurance. You can't buy it after the wreck.